Chug
fast.
responsibly.
Yeah, chug responsibly.
Well, be nice, wave goodbye to the naughty ones too. Bye, Skips. Santa knows what you did. The crate. Why? Don't ask. Welcome aboard, folks. My name is Robert. I'm going to be your Jingle Cruise skipper, your tree trimmer, your present wrapper, and your secret Santa for the... Alright, we're going to start right here in the Amazon River here in South America. Now, do you know why this area is so special to Santa Claus? Well, it's because of all the reindeer. Oh, you have 9.5 more minutes of this. Now, right around the corner here, we are approaching Inspiration Falls. Now, we call it that because the longer you stare at it, the more it inspires you to go more into the festive holiday spirit. All right, everyone give me an ooh. Everyone give me an ah. Oh, festive. Everyone give me a fa la 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 la. That was actually pretty good. Oh, what's your favorite Christmas carol? The hippopotamus song. Ah, yeah. Well, you're doing a solo later. No. All right, now right over here we have the Congo River. Now there was supposed to be a holiday party waiting for you here, but nobody showed up. It's a little cold. It's fine. We're gonna have loads of fun. We're gonna play some games. She's gonna sing a song. Lots of fun. I just gotta remember to get them their holiday gifts the next time I see them. I got them this old tree over here. What? Oh, come on, that's a great gift. Look, I even wrapped it and put a bow on top. That was done right over here at our gift wrapping station, which my in-laws have apparently taken over. You know, the one good thing about this is that Jeep over there. We tried for a week to get that thing started, but they got it to turn over. Alright, now right over here is the Nile River, and behind me we have an African bull elephant who has also learned how to sing for the holiday season. Get ready, you're on deck. Alright, George, let's see, you're first. We already did Deck the Halls, we did Jingle Bells, we did Frosty. George, give me, Oh Christmas Tree. No, in German. Good boy. Hey, I love the fact that he learned 2 different languages. George, give me Silent Night. You know, I can't even be mad at him. I walked right into that. George, work on that one. I'm coming back for it. All right, over here we have, we got lots of animals. Let's see, we got zebras, impalas, giraffes, wildebeest, and a pride of lions enjoying their favorite holiday meal, zebra on the rocks. I'm kidding. They're babysitting. He's just pretending to sleep to avoid talking with his extended family. Alright, I thought that one would work. See, that's how I avoid my family during the holidays. Look at this. You know, I usually just string popcorn together to put up on my tree, but look at this rhino going the whole 9 yards. That's a fruitcake, actually. Yeah. Alright, now we are going to move into the crocodile country. We got a couple sitting right over here. The big one on the left, that's old Smiley. He's over 100 years old. I have no idea what to get him for Christmas. Everyone keeps telling me that he wants a slow cooker. Personally, I think that's a crock. I mean, what's he going to do with one of those, seriously? Now, right behind me here is Schweitzer Falls. That is named after the late famous explorer, Dr. Snow Falls. Hey, you try to come up with a Christmas joke for a waterfall. Now, I do want to let you guys know about all the holiday deals we got going on. Just yesterday, in fact, some skippers came to me saying great news. We got half off an airplane. Yeah, that's what they got. Not the first mistake they've made either. You know, I was real specific about my Christmas list. I said hungry, hungry hippos. You know, the game with the marbles, right? Yeah, they got me real hippos. What am I supposed to do with that? Where am I supposed to keep him? In my 2-car garage? Feed him there? Watch him there? Give him his massage? Those are their song lyrics. That's what we call a segue. You skipped a bunch there. That's okay. You know, I gotta be honest though, that was actually really good. You're the new breakout star of our holiday choir. Yeah, that's them. They need all the help that they can get. Listen to them, they're terrible. But seriously, they've been rehearsing for 3.5 weeks now. What song is that? You can understand them? Okay, that's bananas. You are over this monkey business, aren't you? Alright folks, here's what came on the Jingle Cruise to see. I give you the awe-inspiring backside of water. What was that? That was pathetic. Come on, the backside of water. There it is. Yeah, that's a Boxing Day miracle. Hey, the Christmas show didn't work on the left side. They're not going to work on the backside. Alright, now this is the Mekong River deep in the heart of Cambodia. Alright, I don't want to alarm anybody, but have you guys noticed the tiger that's been stalking us out there on the beaches? Yeah, he just went in this tunnel right up ahead. I know it's the same one, too. I've looked. He's got sandy claws. You know, I asked for one thing for Christmas this year. Better jokes. Look, look, look. There he is. There's the kids in the side room playing, having a good time. Family's been here for several hours now. There's my sister still in the shower for some reason. And of course, there's always one. There's the family joker. It's the crazy old uncle, am I right? Yep, all the time. Well, here he is. Stop it. That is not nice. You know, and crazy old Uncle Jeremy, he always thinks he's so funny too, doesn't he? Hey, whoa, 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 no, no, get down. That is not what I meant when I said shower us with gifts. You think it might think it's water coming out of his straw? It's not. Think about it. Well, folks, no trip to the jungle would be complete without a visit to the gift shop. Oh, don't look at me like that. That's how we end everything around here. Now, Trader Sam is not here at the moment. Oh, right. I'm sorry. I forgot. For the holiday season, he insists that we call him Trader Sam. Yeah, whatever, right? You know, I do have to say this, though. Even with all that craziness going on right there, that is the most civilized holiday shopping I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, you know it's true. Well, folks, out of all of my crews today, you have definitely been the most recent. Fortunately, we are approaching the most dangerous part of this journey, my attempt to dock this boat. Now, over around the corner here, you're going to see two docks. You're going to see a dock on the left and a dock on the right. That tends to confuse everybody. That's called a paradox. As we approach, please keep your hands and arms inside the boat. We don't want you to experience any unnecessary peer pressure. That's a bad thing. Now, if you came in through the side door, please leave through the side door. If you came in through the back door, that's you folks over here, please leave through the back door. Do not cross over those center boxes. Yeah. Now that you're on that side, go out the back door there, okay? We don't want you to trip and fall. I'd really hate to see you have two bad trips in the same boat. I'm only responsible for the first one. Please lower your heads and watch your step. Should you miss your step or hit your head, please lower your voice and watch your language. That's right, this kid's all over the place. I always have those big ears on. Alright, everybody, I enjoyed having you all. Hope you all enjoyed being had. Now, on the count of three, big thunderous round of applause. Ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, thank you so